tiger prowls, both sly and fast. In the jungle it moves at last. The owl hoops up in the tree. With big round eyes, it's fun to see. The fox howls at the moon so high, with a wagging tail and a gleaming eye. The elephant marches big and strong, stomping its feet all day long. The rabbit hops through the meadow wide, with floppy ears and a joyful stride. The deer glides with grace so true, through the forest it dances too. The monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing and playing wild and free. The dolphin leaps out of the sea, twisting and turning so happily. The bear strolls slow through the woods, sniffing the air as it should. The giraffe stretches up so tall, reaching the branches, it eats them all. The zebra trots across the plain, with stripes so bold and mane so main. The penguin waddles on the snow, flapping its wings as it goes so slow. The kangaroo hops with a bounce so high, leaping and jumping, reaching the sky. The cheetah runs so fast and sleek, across the plains with legs so quick. The crocodile rests by the shore, basking in the sun, wanting more. The parrot squawks up in the trees, with feathers so bright and wings that tease. The animal kingdom, the animals gather one by one, in the jungle, savannah, and under the sun.